Sema!
The Sema convention is getting ready to kick off, one of the largest car trade shows.
Where the heck are we? We're in Las Vegas.
Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. First thing I would like to do is thank you for tuning in. The second thing I would like to do is thank Zach, Kathy, Kang, and Randy for everything that it took to get Sema 2018 just to happen. Of course, many other people touched this vehicle and many other people are appreciated. We have 89 days to make it to Sema 2018. The only thing that we have is a 1955 GMC pickup truck cab and a concept drawing. What lies in front of us is nothing more than a lot of hours each and every day, a huge amount of effort, and a lot of work. We are in days 4 and 5 of the P-57 project. We've gotten a lot accomplished, but the largest thing that we had to do is develop a system to tie the frame, the cab, and the pickup truck box all into one. Without this roll cage, the truck would look beautiful, but it would literally tear itself apart. This is a key element in the project that no one even knows that it's there in the finished project. All of this is hidden within the truck and within the bed. All right, everybody has a ton of hours and overtime into this project. We're only 6 days in. Thank goodness we started with a relatively solid cab. Now we push it outside and have it all media blasted. This is where the P-57 gets naked. At this point, we can see if any more body work is needed, and we can also see if there's any more rust repair that has to be done. Remember, this is almost a 65-year-old vehicle. We're 12 days into the project. Thank goodness the new metal has started to arrive. We're able to make all of the gaps perfect and fit the doors to the old cab. Remember, this is an old pickup truck that was used for farming and a work truck. It was never built to be a show truck. So even though all the metal is new, we had to fit these doors to this old cab. The only way to do that is to take this brand new metal, cut parts away, and weld parts on. Then the gaps are all perfect. 14 days into the project, not that many days left to Sema, and we have to get this bad boy into some epoxy primer. As you can see, Zach is laying down 2 coats of epoxy primer. This does 2 things for us. It protects all the work up to date from future rust, and it also allows us to see all the little dents and the dings that are left. This is a very important step in the project, but it's only the beginning. Thanks go out to each and every one of you from the legendary team. We appreciate you tuning in to this episode on the P-57. Please tune in to future episodes because there is going to be a lot happening. Coming up next, you're going to see a lot of transformations. One of them is the largest transformation, hooking the P-57's cab and bed together. Tune in and you will see a huge change. Again, thanks go out to each and every one of you for tuning in. We appreciate you here at Legendary Customs. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and follow us on our Instagram.